Private Woodariz, you can't stay out of trouble, can you? This is the third time this week.
What?
Now don't try to talk back to me, son, because I'll drop you on that stack of dimes you call a neck. If you keep acting like a little Jimmy, you're gonna get got like a little Jimmy. In this house, we follow 3 simple rules: hustle, loyalty, and respect. But apparently, you think this is some big joke.
What?
Your time is up, and my time is now. And somebody's gonna get their wig split. Trying to make this a big show, huh? Trying to break the walls down, become the cult of personality.
What?
I may not come from money, and I definitely ain't got no class, but I am perfection. You think your smoke and mirrors are gonna fool me? Well, let me tell you something. You have no chance. No chance in hell.
Now can you dig that? Sucker!